Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Cuticle Remover Cream is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in achieving salon-perfect nails right at home, transforming ragged cuticles into a smooth canvas for your polish and making your manicure look professionally done. This innovative cream works by gently dissolving dead skin and overgrown cuticle tissue, revealing healthier, more refined nail beds without the need for harsh scraping or cutting, which can often lead to damage or infection if not done carefully. Number 5. Bio Oil Skincare Body Oil Serum. Discover the revolutionary skincare solution designed for your body and face. It's formulated to address a variety of skin concerns. This powerful serum is clinically proven to help improve the appearance of both scars and stretch marks. Achieve smoother, more even-toned skin. Formulated with vitamin E and A, it's gentle enough for sensitive skin. It provides essential nourishment without irritation. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or combination, this product is suitable for you. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores. Trust in the expertise of dermatologists who recommend this effective moisturizer. It's a staple for healthy-looking skin. Make it a part of your daily routine for a radiant complexion. Experience the difference it can make for your skin's overall health. What we like. This oil is a dermatologist-recommended choice for overall skin health. If you're dealing with scars, stretch marks, or have sensitive skin, its nourishing formula with vitamins E and A can help improve skin appearance and provide gentle hydration. It's a great option for those seeking comprehensive skin repair and nourishment. What people say. It absorbs super fast thanks to its porcelain oil technology, so it does not leave that sticky feeling on the clothes. My face is actually clear. It isn't just a fluke or a good skin day either. My face is consistently smoother, calmer, and more even. It has faded my old marks and keeps me hydrated without clogging my pores. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy and keeps my skin soft and well hydrated. I've noticed improvement in the appearance of dry areas and uneven tone over time. Number 4. M3 Firming Body Massage Oil. Discover the secret to a smoother appearance. This luxurious oil is designed to help improve your skin's texture and firmness. Infused with collagen and stem cell technology, it works to visibly smooth the appearance of cellulite. Perfect for your legs and full body, it revitalizes and refreshes your skin with every application. Experience the refreshing aromatherapy benefits that uplift your senses while you nourish your skin. This 8 fluid ounces bottle contains a potent formula to help you achieve a more toned and radiant look. See a noticeable difference in skin texture and firmness. Embrace a smoother, more confident you. What we like. Experience a luxurious massage with this firming body oil. If you are looking to improve skin texture and smooth the appearance of cellulite while enjoying a refreshing aromatherapy experience, this is the product for you. Its blend of collagen and stem cells makes it ideal for full body pampering and skin rejuvenation. What people say. It leaves my legs so smooth and soft the next day. Goes on oily, dries not oily, and smells so good. I've only used it once, but so far my skin feels so hydrated and soft. My skin has felt great for 2 days of only using it one time. And it smells amazing. The scent is light and the product doesn't stay oily for long. Definitely try it. Number 3. Extra Strength Callus Remover Gel. Are you struggling with thick, stubborn calluses that just won't go away? Our extra strength formula is designed to tackle even the toughest foot concerns. Experience a powerful yet gentle solution for smoother, softer feet. This gel works effectively to break down rough skin without causing irritation. Get that professional pedicure look and feel right in the comfort of your own home. It's your secret weapon for achieving beautifully smooth feet. Simply apply the gel as directed and let it work its magic. It's an essential part of your foot care routine for optimal results. Give your feet the pampering they deserve. This callus remover helps revitalize tired, rough skin, leaving them feeling refreshed and renewed. Complete your foot care collection with this must-have spa essential. It's perfect for maintaining soft, healthy-looking feet all year round. What we like. Tackle stubborn calluses with this extra strength foot treatment. If you have thick, rough calluses on your feet and desire a professional pedicure result at home, this gel is your go-to solution. It's designed for powerful exfoliation, making it perfect for those who need a robust foot care product. What people say. Softens tough calluses quickly and makes them easy to remove without a ton of effort. You can actually see the difference after one use. The Callus Remover Gel did a great job softening everything, and it fully removed my calluses. This stuff starts to remove dead skin the moment you rub it on. It's freaking amazing. Little effort required. Number 2. Butter London Cuticle Remover Liquid. Tired of dry, overgrown cuticles? Discover the easy way to achieve healthier-looking nails. Our gentle formula works fast to soften and remove them. Watch as dry and overgrown cuticles simply melt away. This powerful yet gentle exfoliator leaves your nails looking their best. Experience the dual action of softening and exfoliating. It gently lifts away dead skin, revealing smoother, healthier cuticles. Get beautiful results quickly and comfortably. This fast-acting formula is completely pain-free, making your manicure routine a breeze. Achieve salon-worthy nails from the comfort of your home. It's the perfect solution for maintaining healthy-looking cuticles and nails. Our specially formulated liquid is designed to be gentle on your skin. It effectively removes cuticles without irritation. What we like. Achieve salon-worthy nails effortlessly with this fast-acting cuticle remover. If you dislike dry, overgrown cuticles and want a quick, pain-free solution, this liquid formula is ideal. It gently melts away excess cuticle, leaving your nails looking healthy and perfectly prepped. What people say. This does melt your dry, overgrown cuticles in minutes. I did keep this on for 5 minutes before I gentle pushed my cuticles to remove the excess product and the removed cuticle gunk. This process was painless and quick. This cuticle remover is extremely easy to use. You open the bottle just like nail polish, swipe the brush on the sides of your nails and on your cuticles just like you wouldn't do with nail polish, then you wait a couple minutes, push your cuticles and away they go. Wash your hands and you're done. Hands are clean and prepped. This is the best cuticle remover I've found anywhere ever. Easy to use, quick and effective. Number 1. SAVILAND Cuticle Remover and Oil Kit. Introducing the SAVILAND Cuticle Remover and Oil Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional nail care at home. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to achieve clean, beautiful nails. Easily soften and remove dead skin and cuticles with our gentle yet effective cream. Achieve salon-quality results and keep your hands looking pristine. Our specially formulated cuticle oil deeply moisturizes and promotes healthy nail growth. Keep your nails strong and prevent common nail problems with regular use. For nail art enthusiasts, proper cuticle care is essential. This kit ensures your nail art stays flawless for longer by providing a clean canvas. Crafted with organic plant-based ingredients, our products are mild and safe for all skin types. Experience effective nail care without irritation. The kit features an upgraded design with a leak-proof flip cap and a convenient dropper for precise application. High-quality stainless steel tools enhance your manicure experience. What we like. Get everything you need for a professional manicure at home with this comprehensive kit. If you love doing your nails and want a convenient, all-in-one solution for cuticle care and moisturization, this set is perfect. It includes both a remover and oil, plus essential tools, making it ideal for regular, easy nail maintenance. What people say. Great product and works well. Love the tea tree scent too. Mi aiuto con una filtration che tenia en mi una, deb ser constant usandolo, pero funciona. Got this a couple months ago and it's been lasting and working fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.